Hey guys, my name is Gene Schmidt from Port St. Lucie, Florida, Telex Free International Team 1. I decided to make a video about the e-wallet, how it works, how do you register on e-wallet, because a lot of people from my team are asking me how it works, and I tried to find a video about it, I couldn't find it. So in your back office, you need to come to your data, bank data, then you click it, you hit edit bank data, and you're gonna fill it up, the information from your bank name, bank address, swift code. You don't need to put nothing here on IBAN code, and the address and everything else. Okay, you're gonna hit saved, and so on your back office telex free, you're gonna have your bank data. Usually you can only request money on Tuesdays. So if you request the money on Tuesday, not the next Friday, but the following one, that's when you're gonna receive an email saying that the funds are clear on your e-wallet, and from the e-wallet to your bank takes 2 to 3 days. Okay, so on your back office, you're gonna come here, my e-wallet. You're gonna click it, and I request $300, so they charge $350 to go to the e-wallet. And you're gonna click here again. I already registered my banking account to e-wallet, and actually you can request a prepaid card too, which is pretty cool. I haven't requested yet, but I will request, and I'll make another video about that. When you come here on my account, you're gonna come here banking account, okay, and you're gonna click add banking account. It's gonna show up a screen here. You're gonna fill it up, everything again, your bank account data, address, and everything else. And usually takes a day, so the e-wallet verify your account and everything is clear for you to request the money. Gotta do these before you request the money on the back office telex free. Okay, and I'm gonna do here first time how to transfer the funds, and I'm gonna show you guys that works. Okay, here I have already my banking account information here. I have a green light here because they verify and everything. So I'm gonna click here select. I'm gonna request here how much I want, and again they charge $1.50 here. Okay, I'll click here in signature, and I'll put the transaction pin, which is another pin that the wallet requests you for you to put it in. Okay, so after secondary pin, you click continue, confirm transaction, and I'm requesting $2.95. They're gonna charge $1.50. Transfer now. And I have a success. It tells me here which day I'm gonna get the money. Today is February 5th, so it's gonna take between around 5 days. But it's pretty simple, guys. It's a simple thing, and it does work. A lot of people asking if it works, so I decided to take $300 from my account through the bank so I can show you guys. And I can actually come in here and cancel later if I decide that I don't want the money. And thanks a lot for watching. You have a good day.